Hello, on this video I'm going to teach you how to increase your daily limit on the Capitec application. So log into your account and you should be seeing this on your landing page. Simply click on cards, okay? If you click on cards, you're gonna arrive on this section. At the bottom part, there is an update permanent limits. So please choose this one. Actually, there are two permanent limits and temporary limits. So since the video is about daily permanent limits or just limits, simply click on permanent limits first. After clicking that one, you're gonna arrive on this landing page. And then, as you can see right there, there is a notification saying making a big purchase. Increase the temporary limit instead. It will automatically change back in 3 days, easy and safe. So currently we are on permanent limit. We can increase it later on for the temporary limit. So increase the cash withdrawals to the max of 5,000. Same goes with the card machine purchases, 50,000, and online scan to pay phone of 50,000. So make sure you maximize everything here. It's the same goes with the temporal limit. Just make sure you maximize the necessary options on the close and open parentheses, okay? Click on update and then do the same with the temporal limit and you're good to go. You've just increased your daily limit on the Capitec application. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one, okay? Goodbye for now.